Now, the resumption of public transport along Imphal-Dimapur Guwahati route via National Highway number 2 continued smoothly on its second day, with more than 200 passengers left Imphal in a fleet of 4 buses and 6 winger vehicles today. The vehicles departed from the ISBT at Kumanlampak at around 10 a.m. this morning along with heavy security and have crossed Senapati safely. In a related development, the 125 passengers who had embarked on the inaugural journey yesterday have safely reached Guwahati earlier today. Meanwhile, Interstate Transporter Association has welcomed the government's initiative to resume passenger services along the Imphal-Dimapur highway after a gap of 3 years. The association noted that the move will bring much-needed relief to commuters who have faced severe hardships due to exorbitant airfares while traveling to other states over the past 3 years. To prevent any untoward incidents, the association urged the government to implement regular, robust security measures along the route. Mention may be made that the resumption of transport service along National Highway number 2 comes after Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Deputy Chief Minister Nemchak Kipgen and Saitu MLA Haukholet Kipgen jointly announced the reopening of national highways for free movement of all communities and the resumption of Imphal-Dimapur Guwahati bus service on August 8 at Kangpokpi district.
Tamsama koi dari ohum aiba ohum seja piraga passenger full dorga koi sport chatom tanda yawan jakre makhata na sumaina duty gi sum salagadi akoi gi su dari ohum salam basi taru hapkal payai tara hapkal payai madudi matam matam gi bunda la kane ne khanja gari je bergini interest transport bus ki simadi akoi na thudo ko masi community badi ngam jadre bus rungina tonga me solution mana moina salai bani There bus camp, Sapasaka by Udumadi, Nasimaki, where they put the report in Jedre. City Matan says that the white government go over Mogi, Lapum to buy initiative Punamaki, Laura Banina, Major Wina Moipure, Hibanina Madu, Monte, Yamka, and Su, ending a shoe with Drake, Tomusum, Nasidagi, Sidagi, Sakimatam the Gi, Yamna Nunga, Puberaga, Mauboba, Makona Security Squad of TV.